Greetings, Sekhmet's children, to Sekhmet's Helen Kitchen. I am Sekhmet's SapphyreSun. Today is the second part of my first hydration method, and it is called to clarify. There are one of two ways to clarify your hair. In this max hydration method, it's either to use baking soda and some conditioner, or you can just use half and half of water and half of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. And so you need you some distilled water or spring water. I have spring water. And so this is 6 ounces. So I'm gonna fill it up to there, like 3, to make it 3 ounces with the spring water. Okay, and then I'm going to take the rest up to here with the apple cider vinegar. And you know, this is one day, but I just broke it up into 5 videos. Okay, we filled it up with the apple cider vinegar. Now, Sekhmet's children, remember I told you I have low porosity hair. I just rinsed out the Cherry Lola treatment, and I soaked my hair really, really well. I mean, my hair is nice and soft. Look at that. And it's like my hair is totally dry. It's weird. It's like it takes a long time to dry when I need it to be dry. And then when I need it to stay wet, it dries quickly. It's kind of weird how my hair does. So the next step is to saturate my hair with this apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can effectively clarify product buildup, balance your hair's pH level, stimulate growth, and keep natural curls well-defined and bouncy. When used once a week, an apple cider vinegar rinse will improve your hair's overall health and appearance. You see this, guys? I mean, yes, you still can see through it, but you really could see it like it was like paper thin. So my edges are growing. You just have to be patient with yourself. I used to couldn't do this. The right side is my worst side. It's the side I sleep on. And so you let this stay on for 30 minutes to an hour. And then you rinse off. Yeah, and this is good for the scalp too. Apple cider vinegar is. Not only is it great for the hair, but it's great for the scalp. In my opinion, Sekhmet's children, apple cider vinegar is the most inexpensive, most powerful, natural product and food we can use to soften our hair, to cleanse our scalp, to clean our bodies, our insides. This is a very powerful herb, which is apples, you know, that have been fermented. So especially if you're prone to getting dandruff, which I am not, but if you are, this is great for that. So you see there's a bald patch in the back of my head. I have a bald patch. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's in this area and in this area. But they used to be totally like a baby's butt. That's how terrible it was. In between of utilizing the tobacco DHT treatment oil, I also utilize a yarrow oil. Sekhmet's children, my hair has grown significantly since I've been doing my hair on YouTube since April of last year. And so I'm going to be putting up some pictures for you. All right, Sekhmet's children, we applied our clarifier, which is apple cider vinegar and water, half and half. Thank you for coming back to my 5-part series of my first max hydration method. And today's video was on how to clarify. You can either use baking soda and a conditioner or apple cider vinegar and water as I did. So don't forget to like this video, Sekhmet's children. Let's get 50 likes on this video. Once I hit 50 likes on this video, we'll be giving away some products, okay? Hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Make sure you subscribe and comment, and share. Remember to love yourself unconditionally without judgment. Until next time.